Decoding the ACT Reading Comprehension. Hello learners! Today we are diving deep into the ACT Reading Comprehension section. Understanding this section is crucial to mastering the ACT exam. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what sample passages look like and how to tackle the accompanying questions. Let's get started and boost your score. The ACT Reading Comprehension section will challenge you with various types of passages. Typically, you will encounter prose fiction, e.g., excerpts from novels; social science, e.g., psychology, sociology articles; humanities, e.g., personal essays, discussions on art; natural sciences, e.g., passages about animals, plants, or physical sciences. Each passage is accompanied by 10 questions. Time management is essential because you only have 35 minutes to read all passages and answer all questions. Let's take a brief look at a hypothetical passage and how a question might be structured. Passage: Sarah gazed at the old photograph of her grandmother. The sepia tone gave it an ethereal glow, and the woman in the picture, although young, had that familiar twinkle in her eyes. Sample question: What emotion does Sarah likely feel when looking at the photograph? A. Indifference. B. Distaste. C. Nostalgia. D. Fear. The key to answering these questions is to refer back to the passage. Look for clues in the text that hint at Sarah's emotion. Here, words like gazed and familiar twinkle suggest a sense of warmth and memory, pointing to the answer C. Nostalgia. 1. Skim first, then dive deep. Quickly skim the passage to get a general idea. Then, when answering specific questions, refer back to the passage for details. 2. Watch for keywords in both the passage and questions. They often hint at the answer. 3. Practice. The more passages you read and questions you answer, the better you'll get at quickly identifying the main idea and important details. Reading comprehension might seem daunting, but with the right strategies and ample practice, you can master it. Remember to stay calm, manage your time well, and always refer back to the passage when in doubt. We hope this overview has been helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll see those scores climb. Best of luck on your ACT journey.